The next divine name is Al-Jabbar, which means the compeller. It can mean the one who exerts unparalleled force in order to accomplish a task. This belongs to Allah, the Exalted, alone, as there is no strength, might or force except with Allah, the Exalted. When a Muslim truly knows Allah, the Exalted, is the compeller, they will not fear anything in creation, as the only will which comes into effect is the will of Allah, the Exalted. In addition, this divine name gives Muslims hope, as they know that no matter what difficulties they face, as long as they remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, He will grant them success one way or another. No force in creation will be able to prevent this. Chapter 65 at Talaq, verse 2. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out. Reflecting on this divine name also prevents sins. As a Muslim firmly believes, no matter how safe they may be from the justice of people, no force will be able to protect them from the justice of the compeller. A Muslim should act on this divine name by compelling themselves to obey Allah, the Exalted, at all times and overcome their evil desires, fearful of the unparalleled force behind the punishment of Allah, the Exalted. No evil thing can overcome an obedient servant of Allah, the Exalted, as they are provided strength directly from the compeller. Chapter 15 Al-Hijr, verse 42.
Indeed, my servants, no authority will you have over them.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.